Hello! See you again. Come here. Okay. So today, he was, it was the usual. I got him snacks first. I arrived a few minutes before he arrived. I got him like a selection of food, snacks and beverages to choose from again. And as usual, he went for the Coke, and today he went for the cookie pancake. And as we started talking, first, of course, nangamusta siya sa family. To me, to my mom, and to my siblings, ganon. So I told them that we're all doing well. We miss you, of course, but we're doing well. And then I threw the question back, okay, how about you? How are you? He said he's fine, and he reassures me that everything is okay because ever since he's had a very stoic and accepting mentality towards everything that's happening. He said nga, because my father, he's a very big believer in fate and destiny. So he said in verbatim, it is written. It is written. So he showed me his palms and he said, it is written. And he gave me also a piece of advice. He said, you know what? It is written sa buhay. Kung anong nasa palad mo, hindi mo yan matatakasan. So you just pray to God that He will not give you so much of a harsh experience in life. So I said yes, ganon. And ayun, he was just munching on some snacks, and he really likes the pancake ba yun. Okay. So I thought he was hungry. Like I thought he was, akala ko hindi pa siya nakakain. So parang I was worried. I said, did you eat today? Sabi niya, yes naman. He had chicken and rice today. Okay. So he's doing good. He's fine. And for the most part, he was asking about my siblings and his grandchildren. Mira, yung baby girl namin, and he has a grandchild kasi kay Kuya Baste nga na sobrang kamukha niya. So ayun, yun yung palagi niyang minamention, si Soling, saan si Soling, ganon. And then he, parang a different kind of light beams on his face pag pinag-uusapan si Soling kasi proud na proud siya na kamukha niya yung bata. So, ayun, he was happy to hear all of that today, and he was happy to see me. And anong araw ba ngayon? It's Tuesday. So, he asked me if he would see me again tomorrow. I said, of course. And ayun, that's pretty much it. Yeah.
Any chance for Mira and Soling to be able to visit?
Of course, yeah. Children are allowed in the detention unit, but of course we have to look at their schedules first because they are children, they are in school, and we don't want them left behind in school.
Wala naman kayo napag-usapan ng current affairs sa Philippines?
Today, wala eh. I just told him na I forgot kung anong rank yun, top 1 to 3, something, ang Davao City. Still one of the safest places, cities second, in Southeast Asia. So he was very happy to hear that, and he was very proud of Vice Mayor Sebastian Duterte. I told him na, si Kuya Baste, he is honoring your work and legacy. So he was smiling from ear to ear when he heard that.
Si VP, when do we expect a visit po?
Si VP, I don't know pa. I just know that for this month, ano ba ngayon? Wait, I'm lost. It's August. I know that we're still arranging all the rotation of visits since it's very hard to, arrange everything since madami kami sa family. So I will still ask them pa rin today after this.
Yeah. May mga first-timers ba kasi she's on the rush again from the New Yorkers, the first-timers. Nasaan na yung asawa mo?
This is Martina, right? Martina.
Sino mga first-timers?
Monica.
Monica and Martina. Picture. Nasaan ang picture?
Another picture?
Hi.
Sino may camera?
Wait.
First time daw siya.
Konti lang naman tayo. We can all have our turn. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, go. Smile! Okay. Kayo.
Kanila to.
Okay.
Thank you. Martina and Monica.
Husband and wife from New York.
Hi.
Camera mo.
Later.
Lavi, ka na.
See you. Nice to see you. Yes,
folks.
1, 2, 3, go. Okay, thank you. Dubai, Dubai.
Pwede pa ko ano ng...
Wala na si Dubai.
Sorry.
Smiley face, kuya wa ba? Ay,
Mm.
From?
asa may
Ay, so,
kapalit?
yatag na sa kuha ni Banat Bay.
Land, yeah.
Kaya,
Go, go, go. Switzerland. Hindi, wala. 1, 2,
bili ko sana yan.
okay.
Ma'am, dili na ka first time ko, ma'am. Uy, sige na, tagin na. Yes, ma'am. Ay, anak, kaya kung lalabo ko, ano na kayo?
Ayong pay.
Pera kaya?
Aba na. Okay kaayo.
Pa-design dito. Kasi siya yung ano, yan yung
Ay,
ano niya.
okay.
Yan yung ano niya.
Her grandmother.
Bag. In the Philippines.
Nag-improve na yung writing ko. Nag-practice ako.
Vipa. Pasign din ako later. Pahiram ako ng ano mo.
I have a picture.
Ito.
Pila mo rito, pila.
Ikaw na lang kulang para ma-complete na siya. This is from your VP, kang Mayor Baste, tas
Okay ra niyo, pareho ni tanan, ma'am.
Dari ka ga.
Agi. Pareho
Dari
ni tanan.
Okay na ko. I'm sorry about
Pangit kayo.
last night, ha. Thank you. Okay na ko.
Dito ako. Tanong kuya, be?
Kompleto. Wow. Kompleto
Asa na
na
ni mo
siya.
ni tanan?
Of course. Na-complete na yun siya. Ang vault is 5. Ala, sige mo. Imo to nga videohan nga itong nagpirma siya sa ako. Diyan sa ano mo? Pwede ako pakuha. Wait lang. Ay, naku.
Baka ako din smile ka first time mo nabili, uy.
Man dito nakita. Ano, ginawa ko. Sorry, guys. Ano?
Okay na ba?
Nakompleto na yun siya. Kumalaban pa rin. Guys, nakompleto na yun siya, guys. Look. VP and everything. Oh, nakompleto na siya. Alam mo naman. Huwag yun nag-abot. Last na kayo, dugay na kayo ko niya. Uli na ko. Sus, no? Ginan pa.
Mas mauli na mula ko.
Ginan ba yung kitty karon? Okay na ka?
Ang sama, against sila sa parang
Ay, nako. Ha? Guys, akala ko nakita ng video or something. Hindi pala eh. Sorry. Ay, nako.
bagong gawa. Sayang kabayan, wala na.
Kaya nga, nakita ko. Blue lang pala lahat. Hindi nakita, guys.
Hi, shout out to the boy sa Bali.
Angel Trans.
Pinako-nasikuan. Guys.
Thank you. Okay na.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, Kate.
You wanna walk her? Manila na. Let's walk na Manila.
Kate, pwede magpa-birthday greetings? Angel Traz. Oh, wait lang. Ang pangalan is, wait lang. Real quick.
Wait. You don't want picture?
Angel Trazo.
Razo. Happy birthday to you, Angel. See you next time. I hope to see you soon. I wish you the best. God bless you and take care.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, ha.
Picture with the...
Always. This is from India. Planning to ask you.
Kala ko. Naka-video to, nag-pharmacy kitty sa akong libro. Oh yes ma'am, of course ma'am. No problem. Oh. Yun lang. Sorry. Ay, ikaw dito mo? I now understand. Ikaw na yung team dapat mag-sorry.
Magkano siya? Magkano siya isa, guys?
Guys, Lucky Star. Pagka pinalo niya sila, makikita niyo sa picture yan. Kahapon, nandun ako sa